Out here on the back patio. Got the hose on right now, but it is leaking really bad. So I'm filling up the pool back behind me here, but I don't want this dripping down the patio all the time. So if you get a leak like this, it's actually leaking right here. There's a nut that we can tighten up, and you have to tighten this one up from time to time. I'm just going to take a crescent wrench here and I'm going to tighten that. Be careful not to bend, obviously put too much pressure on this depending on how this is mounted to your wall there. But you're just going to tighten that nut up right there, and when you do, you should get a stop to the drip. So if you got a leaky faucet, try that out. That may fix your problem. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more how-to tips.